Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Nasdaq, SPX, and Dow Jones, the US indices. We're gonna see the daily analysis on the starting with the Nasdaq, where we have a 1, 2, 3 here, 4 and a 5. The wave 5 obviously is not yet done. Basically, we are looking for a correction still as a triangle, as we mentioned the last week. Got a signal of strength on the lower time frame, and we might continue, of course, to push for higher here to finish this wave 5. Now, that is a question mark why we didn't reach this 8, let's say as a 1 2, in case we are very bullish and we're looking for higher, opening the scenario for another potential 1 2 and then 3 here, 4 and a 5 as an ending diagonal. And this is why I have this question mark as well. Is it a wave 1 also in an ending diagonal, meaning even we are looking, once we finish this wave 5, we're looking for wave 4 and a 5 again. So we're gonna see this together. Now, if we dive inside it on the 2 hours chart, we can see that this corrective triangle is still unfolding here, and a signal of strength has been given as a 1 2. The wave 2 yesterday has opened and also found a signal of strength a little bit here on the micro level. So this impulse as a 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5 is a signal, of course, of strength. Now we got a wave 3. I need to continue this signal, of course, by taking the high as a confirmation that we are continuing toward the upside. So that would be a total confirmation for a potential wave C, in case we are also in a 1, 2, and then 3, then 4, and then wave 5 as an ending diagonal as well to finish all the count here and then start the drop toward the downside, guys. So we'll see if this is going to happen. Of course, there is also a probability for something very bullish, meaning, of course, can be a wave 1, 2 here, another 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5. But still, of course, need the 1 to 1 Fibonacci level as of course, a confirmation that we are pushing in a wave 3 as an impulse. That because at this point, your wave 3 becomes longer than the wave 1. Of course, it's a large green flag here as bullish, and we're looking for something higher. So very likely on the micro level that we're pushing for upside here again with Nasdaq. We want to see continuation towards higher prices as a 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5. Go wave 2, in case that this is going to transform to something corrective. Well, we can still test a wave C as an ABC before we push toward the upside again. So be careful from the deep wave 2 here, that it can still reach, of course, the perfect target there as wave 2. Yeah, so can be continuation, or it can be one more drop and then pushing towards the upside again. At the end, the direction is upward. Okay, especially that you are corrective on a little bit macro level. Yeah. That was it for Nasdaq. Highest probability still bullish, of course. If we push to yeah, SPX is also showing even stronger momentum than Nasdaq. This triangle is even like finished, and we got our signal of strength after a large here 1, 2, 3, and then we're looking very likely for a wave 4. This wave 4 here on the 1 hour chart as a triangle A, B, C, D, and an E here. The wave E is very sharp and fast, so we are looking also after it for an impulse, and also a corrective wave expanding. That wave 2 has been given within a signal of strength again on the 15-minute chart. 1, 2, 3, 4 is still unfolding toward the upside. It's a bullish flag there. Once you take the high, it's a total confirmation. We're pushing for something higher. Probabilities here are shifting to be, of course, high and higher probability of talking here. A wave 3 as a zigzag, in case we are in zigzag, or impulses as well, can be even for a wave 3 hitting the 0.786, 0.886, the perfect fib level for a wave 3 in a diagonal. So this ending diagonal can be, of course, still unfolding for higher at the end. Once we hit the 1 to 1, it is your confirmation for higher, because the wave 3 becomes longer than wave 1. And that means a large 1 2 and a large wave 3 might continue towards the upside here. This is your highest bullish scenario that you might get here in this case. And of course, we're going to see a 4 and a 5 to the upside again. For Dow Jones as well, we are looking here for this impulse, the same as Nasdaq, same as SPX, but also Dow Jones even showing much more stronger momentum as well. It didn't made any kind of like a triangles like SPX or Nasdaq, but it's totally the ending diagonal here, which is getting close, very close for the signal of strength that we are looking for as one-to-one Fibonacci for this wave 5. Wave 5, if it hits the 53K, let's say exactly 53K would be much more convincing here. That means 53K's wave 5 is longer than the wave 3, not allowed in an ending diagonal as well. And we are looking for something very impulsive and 1 2 again. And a massive wave 3 might be unfolding here for Dow Jones. That is very, very bullish. Also, a large bull flag might be given starting from the 53K here. We're talking about a massive wave 3, 53K for can be 54K even, reaching very easy here since your wave 1 is very large, guys. Of course, we might be in double 1 2 as well, 3 4 5 4 and a 5 continuation for higher prices. Interesting what is going on in the US stock indices. It shows a lot of strength, guys, and we might still seek after a new all-time high again and pushing for higher prices. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye-bye. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord. And stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.